How to turn off shorts on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off shorts on YouTube. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started. First step, open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to the U option on the bottom right and then tap on the settings on the top right. Then head over to General. On your General, you should find a playback option. Turn that off. If you don't find it, you can come back here and you'll find it under Video and Audio Preferences. Tap on Playback and simply turn the autoplay option off. After you've done that, you can then come back on your homepage. And on your homepage, you'll find your YouTube Shorts. Tap on the three dots on each and every shorts and tap on Not Interested. Keep on doing that until there is no shorts left and then simply reload the page. After you reload the page, there you'll find that the shorts that once appeared on your feed will no longer start appearing. And you can keep on refreshing the page and keep on doing that, but you have basically disabled your shorts. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.